And we've got a walk board that's adjustable in between two ladders. So if you get ready to do something like that, make sure you're sitting fairly level and stable. In this case, we've got boards, which you could get a little better than this, but everybody seems to be fairly confident. But both ladders are built up, and you got a walk board on there. When first time you get on it, be real cautious, be prepared, make sure it's stable all the way through before you get real comfortable and start running on it. That way we can walk through this whole area a lot faster without readjusting, constantly setting the ladders in rough terrain. And I'll show you what we're going to do on the end when we get to it with extension ladders and ladder jacks. Got a tall section, not terrible tall, but this is what we do on these areas that are tall. End up using 2 extension ladders. Make sure they're set really good at the bottom. The terrain is leaning this way and leaning that way. So when the ladder jack is maybe a little bit lower this way and higher over here, and it runs this way, it kind of goes the opposite of what it wants to go with that. But you still need to make sure everything is steady on the bottom of your ladders and your ladders are fairly straight up and down. And pay attention to your weight load. Be careful when you first get up there, but we've got 6 feet, a little bit less or more, and we'll be able to get all that high area with what we've got right here. And this is what you can do at home.